Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. All views and opinions in this video are my own and do not constitute financial or trading advice. Okay, today is Thursday, November 3rd, and the time is 5 p.m. Central. And we are going to look at the S&P and oil. So let's get going. Looking at the ES futures contract. And yesterday we had a sharp sell-off, and I was expecting just continuation down. If I zoom out to the 1 hour chart, still see this as a WXYXZ, and we're making our way down. So if I zoom in just a little bit here on this for this down move, got a 15-minute chart. What I see is, we got a strong one, and I see this as an expanding flat for 2. So we got 1, 2, 3, up for 4, down for 5. So here's our impulse down. And then I was expecting a reaction in this zone, and we got it this afternoon, midday. And S&P is selling off, and this is the futures contract, so futures just opened up again at 5 p.m. and already it's down about another 5 points or so. So if this low breaks before it goes back up, then I'm going to say that we're probably going to be creating a leading diagonal. And so we're going to have like a 1, 2, come down for 3, and that'll be just 1, and then 3 ways up, 3 ways down. So we got to see if this low of 3704.25, if that holds. Right now it's looking like it might not hold even within the hour. So we'll see. But we got our 3 ways up, so that this all could be 1, 3 ways up for 2. And then we're going to have 3 waves coming down for 3, and then this will all just be the first wave of the leading diagonal. So that's what I'm seeing. We got jobs report coming out tomorrow morning, and I think that could be a catalyst for a sharp move down. If it's a strong report, meaning there's a lot of jobs were added. Markets tend to see that as more ammunition for Powell to keep raising rates to get the unemployment numbers to go up. So strong report, bearish for the market. So I can see that being a catalyst tomorrow morning. So we'll see that how that plays out. Interestingly, just a quick observation. This strong move down this morning completed at 9 a.m. and we got the 3 ways up. The S&P didn't come back down to break it, but the NASDAQ did. So came down here 9 a.m. 3 ways up. And it's got its 3 ways down, and it just broke the low as soon as the market reopened at 5 p.m. So the NASDAQ is saying already that it sees it as some kind of a running leading diagonal. So if we zoom out on the NASDAQ, we've got 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 up. Never broke the top here, and so all of this is like a 1. It didn't get back up to like at least a 236 area. So I could see this coming down, coming up, giving us like a running flat, and then continuing down. So the NASDAQ is definitely leading the way down. I think the ES it's just a matter of time before it breaks this low. So that is what I see on the S&P. Let's take a quick look at oil, looking at the CL contract. And Yesterday I said I see this all as a series of three waves going up. So I relabeled it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a leading diagonal. And I said that in this zone we should get some kind of a reaction. So if I zoom in a little bit down to the 5 minute, you can see that it came down here at early this morning, 4:50, and it got a reaction as soon as it hit that box. Gave us three waves, but then three waves down. So I'm seeing this as it's creating it's gonna be creating a leading diagonal, and I see that we need to um, come down lower. So I don't see 87.60 holding that. I think this is going to come break it and go lower, and then it's just a matter of what kind of correction are they making, how deep of a correction are they going to make. So if we just look at it real quick, I see this as 1, 2, 3 for 1, 1, 2, 3 for 2, 1, 2, 3 for 3, 1, 2, 3 for 4, 1, 2, 3 for 5. So this was your leading diagonal. It's got three waves up, so it could fall. That this could be all the corrections. Could be like a 5, 3, 5 or something, or this could be 1, 2, 3, and that's the 1, 2, 3 of a leading diagonal. So still got more. We need some more waves to see what's going to happen, what kind of correction they're making, but I don't see 87.60 as being low. I think we got more down to go. So kind of zoom back out. We'll have to wait and see. But so that there's five waves up. It's in a correct. It's just a matter of what type of correction. So wouldn't be looking looking to buy or sell yet. We got a little bit more down, and then we need to see once it breaks this low, what's it going to do? Is it just going to give it three ways up and then continue down, which means then that this is going to be a bigger correction. It could be a big leading diagonal for A, three ways up for B, and down for C. So more to come on that, but I'm seeing more downside on oil for the correction, and then we'll be resuming once that correction is done. So that's what I see on the S&P and oil. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.